Hey guys, I'm Megan from meganplus5.com, and today I want to show you how I use my Cricut to label my reusable oil bottles that I use in my kitchen. I bought these glass bottles on Amazon, and I will leave the link below to where I got them. Now, because I don't want this to come off, I'm using a permanent grade vinyl, which is the Decals 651, and I'm cutting it out using my green Cricut mat and my Cricut Explorer. Now, I don't have a fancy maker, but the Cricut Explorer I've had for several years now, and it does the job that I need to get done for all the projects that I do anyway. And just a little tip, whenever you do remove your vinyl or pretty much anything from your Cricut mat, flip your mat over so that you just kind of roll the mat off of your project, and that'll save you from your things getting stuck to your mat. And I like to save my bigger scrap pieces of vinyl, so I'll just put that back in my scrap vinyl bin. And then I weed my vinyl with an X-Acto knife. I think that this works so much better than a regular weeding tool, and it's a lot cheaper. And these SVGs for olive and veggie are on my website that you can use for free. So I'll leave a link below to where you can get that. To take all of the oil and like lint and things like that off of the glass bottles, I just used some rubbing alcohol and a lint-free cloth. And once I was done cleaning them, I just let them dry. And rubbing alcohol does not take that long to dry. The higher the alcohol content, the quicker that it does dry though. And then I used my transfer tape, put it on the decal, rubbed it with my vinyl squeegee, and then removed the paper backing, and then tried to center it on the back of the glass bottle because I didn't want to put it on the front, just in case some oil dripped down. Then it would make it easier for that decal to come off. So I put my decals on the back side, and then I just rubbed them down with my finger, and then quickly with my squeegee, and then I just slowly peeled that transfer tape off. If you found this quick and easy tutorial helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And let me know if you have any questions below, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.